Introducing the 2025 Cadillac Celestiq, a hand-built electric masterpiece. Over 18 feet long, under 5 feet tall, pure elegance in motion. Handle-free doors open with a touch, and a hidden hatchback redefines luxury. Dual motors push out 655 horsepower with over 300 miles of electric range. A dashboard that's one giant screen. Tech meets artistry. 4-zone comfort, 4-zone smart glass. Every seat is first class. Despite its size, agility comes standard, built to glide with grace. Starting at $340,000, the ultimate expression of Cadillac.